The reason I came to Boot Camp Digital was I was kind of thrown into the current position that I'm in, to say the least. And I don't really know a whole lot on the business side about measuring social media or what I can actually do with it. So that's why I chose to come to this course. What I've gotten in the last 4 days is above and beyond what I expected. If I had to rate this course from a 1 to 10, I wish I could rate it over a 10. For someone like me who doesn't have a lot of experience with SEO and web and email marketing, it's been extremely beneficial. So I can't really put, a price on that to go higher than what we paid for come here. But I mean, it's been absolutely wonderful.
Not only did I learn a lot about social media, there was a lot of people from different businesses who were in the class with me, so we were able to learn from each other. And there was a lot of great takeaways.
I've got to tell you, this is so much more value than I anticipated. I knew it was going to be a terrific workshop, but I had no idea just how much I was going to get out of it. The resources they give you in print alone and digitally are worth the whole price of the workshop.
I have to admit that I thought I was probably one of the best marketers in the business until I attended Digital Boot Camp. Oh my gosh, from digital ads to email campaigns to social media, this is the place you want to be. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in the industry, I can't recommend the 4-day course enough.